Hey guys, what's going on? Luis Guevara here with Extreme Detail. Today we got the privilege to work on this Lamborghini. This car got PPF already applied when it was sold initially by the dealership. Now, as you guys know, it's a 2023. This vehicle went through a little accident where the fender got scratched, including the fender flare at the same time, which I already removed to see exactly the results, but then I left one side to show you the benefits of PPF, how the PPF protect the fender to be not repainted again and put a Carfax scratch on your car. Join me, let's get to work right now. So the first thing that I want to do is protect the paint. I don't know if this panel was repainted in the past or not, so I want to make sure that when I pull the PPF, it's not bringing the paint off. And because the weather is not really that warm, I'm going to put hot water. Give me some hot water. So I'm going to put hot water just to soften the glue that is holding the PPF. This is going to help me to do an easier removal when I'm doing so. So right here, what we're doing is we're removing the PPF. As you guys see, this stuff is taking a beating. It doesn't really cut. It's not going through. But what I'm doing here is I'm trying to remove the PPF, and because I don't know the condition of the existing paint previously, you know, I have to be careful when I'm peeling it, because if it's being repainted, it can pull the clear off the car. This is the area where we have the damage. As you can see, it's being penetrated, right? But it didn't penetrate the paint. And that's exactly what we're looking for. A sacrifice layer to protect your vehicle for this heartbeat damage. I can get, it's not my vehicle, I'm not gonna scratch it, because no more than this to prove you how good is the protection for these things. But you can see that the damage is on the film and not into your fender. And this is a PPF. The vehicle is a 2023, which it was built in 2022, and we're in 2026. This is a 4-year vinyl applied in the car. If it's basically applied when the car was brand new to it. That a 4-year film like this, it just looks incredible. So what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna wipe my area. I wanna see what I have going on in here. I wanna try to remove all the water that I apply on the vehicle to remove the PPF. I wanna see exactly what I'm working on. So here what we have is a little bit of adhesive remover, and we're gonna apply into a towel real quick. And that's what is gonna help me is to get the glue that is transferred from the PPF to the vehicle, and making sure that transfer of the glue is gone. And at this point, we just got a little deep nit here that it went through the paint, but it's not even near noticeable. And you can see the scratch that was continually coming all the way to the back, all the way to right here, where the PPF was not applied on it. We put in some of this soapy water just because it's warm, and it helps the product to relax one way or another. All right guys, so this is how we finished the Lamborghini. This one here got that damaged PPF that we were able to fix it for a client. And we were grateful that the customer decided to put PPF when the car was brand new. Now this Euros is gonna be looking like it's a really luxury car in the street. We haven't had any damage on the side. I'm happy that I was able to help my customer, and now you know exactly what PPF can do on your vehicle. If you're looking for that experience and you want to protect your second best investment, just give us a call so we can give you a right quote, and you can decide if it was the right fit for you. Till the next episode, we'll see you soon. My name is Luis Guevara. Till next time.